No, Kayla. I know your cameras are recording because of the color.
Oh.
Sweet. Yes, 2 lines.
What the hell? It's a zombie apocalypse. Why is it doing that?
Somebody's outside, he's constantly the home.
Maybe somebody's trying to eat them.
Probably never know, this could be one of those weird videos where all innocent and nice and fucking window breaks in and there's a zombie.
For some reason, I kind of want a zombie apocalypse to happen. I mean, you know, it'd be kind of cool to kick some ass, but then it'd be kind of scary to have half-dead people chasing after you. So. What the fuck?
Kayla.
They're still outside beeping.
That's probably at Josh's house.
I swear to God, I will walk over there and kick some ass.
Pan's probably doing that because Josh is inside the house, not answering. You know how she is.
Yeah, I know she has.
Yeah, she went.
Look at my Barbie ruler. From when I was like 6. And it's still in like perfect condition. I was a good kid.
Josh is.
I'm gonna go outside and tell them to shut the fuck up.
Is this still recording?
Yes, it's still recording.
Good
Look
God.
at the smiley face.
This is not going on Facebook.
It's going on my YouTube.
And.
You have to make a YouTube video with me one day. Like an actual video.
Okay.
Talk about something. Oop! It's showing your face and you look chubby. Chubby kid. Chubby. You have such a small stomach.
Alright, film Tristan's gonna run in
And I'm recording it all, motherfucker.
Oh man. Don't smear the face.
Yes!
Don't smear the face.
Stop! I'm gonna have marks all over my boobs, and then my dad's gonna ask me why I have marks all over my boobs, and I'm gonna tell him it's from you, and then he's probably gonna yell at me for letting you touch my boobs. Stop! Look! Stop! Austin! That hurt.
My knuckles hurt.
Ow.
Sorry. That looks really cool.
This is what me and my boyfriend do for fun. Austin!
It's washable.
No, it's not, obviously, because you had a problem taking all of yours off. Remember when I painted your stomach blue?
Yes. Okay. Oh, wait. No. Don't move. Don't move.
Moving. My stomach looks really fat in this picture. Are you trying to make that person? Yeah, I see you on your phone.
What?
What?
Say it.
Nothing.
Say it again.
I didn't do
Say it
anything.
again.
Stop.
Say it again.
I didn't do anything.
Say it. Say it. Say it. I want to draw on your face.
No, please don't.
I'm drawing your face. I'm gonna draw on your face.
Don't.
I'm gonna
I'll
draw on
show
your
you
face.
often.
I'm gonna.
I'm not kidding. Ah, stop. My belly button does not feel nice when you do that.
Okay. Draw a circle.
La, la, la.
Done.
Okay.
Have fun washing out.
Yeah, I will. Stop! No more! Look at all this! I'm gonna have to wash all of it.
here. Okay.